In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste email contacts on Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know how to bring a list of contacts from a spreadsheet straight into your Mailchimp audience using the quick copy and paste import method. You'll just need access to your Mailchimp account and a spreadsheet with your contacts organized in columns, ideally with headers like email address, first name, and last name. Start on your Mailchimp dashboard. From the main navigation, click Audience. This is where Mailchimp stores your list of contacts, which they call an audience. Inside Audience, choose Add Contacts, then select Import Contacts. Mailchimp offers several import options. Choose the Copy and Paste option. This method is perfect when you already have your contacts neatly arranged in a spreadsheet and want to skip uploading a file. Click Continue to move ahead. You'll land on a screen with a large content box where you'll paste your list. Before jumping over to your spreadsheet, note that Mailchimp reads data best when each column is clearly separated by tabs or commas, and each contact appears on its own line. If your spreadsheet has a header row, keep it. It helps Mailchimp match columns correctly. The only must-have field is email address. Make sure your list doesn't include sensitive information you don't want to store. Now head to your spreadsheet, select the exact columns you want to import, at minimum, email address, and optionally other fields like first name and last name. Copy the data, return to Mailchimp, click inside the content field, and paste. You should see your rows appear in a table-like format. If anything looks out of place, switch back to the spreadsheet, adjust the columns, and paste again until it looks clean and consistent. When your data looks good, click Continue. Next, choose your current audience from the drop-down to ensure you're adding these contacts to the right list. This is important if your account has more than one audience. Selecting the correct audience helps keep your segments accurate and avoids confusion later. After confirming the audience, click Continue. You'll see an option to apply tags. Tags are labels that help you group contacts, like leads, customers, or event attendees. If that's useful for you, add relevant tags here to keep things organized. If not, you can leave this blank and click Continue. You can always apply tags later. Now you'll review mapping. Mapping tells Mailchimp which column is which. Ensure the column containing email addresses is mapped to email address. Map other columns like first name and last name to their matching fields. If you see a column you don't need, set it to Do Not Import. Take a moment to double check this screen. Accurate mapping ensures personalization works properly in future campaigns. Click Continue when everything matches correctly. You'll be asked to select the email marketing status for these contacts. Click Select Email Marketing Status and choose Subscribed if you have permission to email them. This setting determines who will receive your campaigns, so only mark contacts as subscribed when you have consent. Review the summary, then click Finalize Import. Mailchimp will prepare the import and show you a confirmation step. Click Complete Import to start the process. You'll see a progress indicator, and once finished, Mailchimp will confirm how many contacts were added or updated. If any entries were skipped due to formatting issues or duplicates, Mailchimp will let you know so you can review and correct them. That's it. You've successfully copied and pasted your email contacts into Mailchimp. With your audience in place, you're ready to segment, tag, and start sending campaigns with confidence.